import your images from Google Drive into your Lightroom catalog. To begin with, you need to make sure that you are in the correct catalog. For this assignment, it is called Rule of Thirds. Each of your assignments will have a different title for the catalog, which is why it is important that you are in the current and correct catalog. You can go to File, Open Recent, and see your catalogs that you recently opened to make sure you are in the correct one. Okay. The next step is on the bottom left-hand corner. You're going to click the Import button. If you do not see the Import button, make sure that up top that you are set to Library. If you are on Develop, you will not see the Import button. So we're going to click the Library button. Then we're going to go to the bottom left-hand corner. You're going to click the Import button. And then you are going to go to your Google Drive. You have to click the arrow in order to be able to see the folders in your Google Drive. For this assignment, I had you create a folder called ROT. So I'm going to click on there and I can see the images that are currently in my Rule of Thirds folder. These are some student examples and an example from the internet that all follow the Rule of Thirds. You can click the button where it selects all images. You can unclick the button to show none of the images. So to begin, we're going to select just the image we wish to import. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and do the cologne bottle. And then on the right-hand side, you have to organize it into one folder. Okay, you will lose points if you do not organize your image into one folder. Next, you have to select your Google Drive. See right here? You have to select the Google Drive, and then you have to select the correct folder, which is Rule of Thirds spelt out. So mine are alphabetical. So, I just passed it. And here is my Rule of Thirds right there. Next, you have to select Move. I don't want to just add it to the catalog. I actually want to move this image from my Rule of Thirds ROT catalog into my Rule of Thirds catalog. So I've selected the correct catalog, and then I'm going to click Import. You will see right here the bar that shows it imported it, and then after it imports, you will be able to click on the image and hit Fit. Okay, at this point, you can see the image and you can click on the letter R to pull up the Rule of Third grid to check and see if your image follows the Rule of Third grid. From here, you have now successfully imported your image from your Google Drive into your Rule of Thirds catalog. To check it, you can go to your Google Chrome, go to your Google Drive, and in your drive, you would go to your Rule of Thirds catalog. Sorry, I have a lot of folders. You would go into the Rule of Thirds catalog. Right here, Rule of Thirds, and open it. Do not delete these folders. These blue folders are what are necessary for the Lightroom catalog to work. But I can see that my image is in the correct folder. My drive, Rule of Thirds, and my image is inside. If you can find your image in here, you have successfully moved your image from the ROT folder into the Rule of Thirds folder. That's how you can get images that you have on your phone into the Lightroom catalog. Thank you.